Good evening. Conditions in global markets are just getting miserable with each passing day as benchmark indices in India extended its losing streak to third straight trading session. The NSE Nifty has plunged nearly 300 points in past three trading sessions. Today it fell below 4,800 while the BSE Sensex finished under 16,000. The Indian indices opened lower, bounced back into the positive territory in about an hour's time before touching the day's low. They recovered again only to reverse course post the weak opening in European markets. Shares in Hong Kong tumbled while most Asian markets also closed lower. The sell-off accelerated especially in the banking space after Moody's Investor Service downgraded SBI. Shares of the public sector banking majors slumped 5%. The banking index on the BSE and the NSE were each down by more than 3%. India VIX, a key measure of traders' perception of volatility in the Indian market, surged by 7.6% after touching a day's peak of 39.02. European stocks slid again today as investors continued to be nervous about the deteriorating situation over Greece and its adverse fallout on the European banking system. Death strike in Greece's new budget showed that it would miss its deficit targets set by the Troika of EU, ECB and IMF for the much-needed emergency fund. That appears to have spooked global markets. Goldman Sachs cut its forecast for global growth in 2012 and said it now sees the Eurozone sinking into a mild recession. It also lowered its growth forecast for China. Meanwhile, fertilizer stocks caught the fancy of investors today after a report said that the Prime Minister's office has asked Fertilizer Ministry to speed a proposed policy to end price controls on urea. Chambal Fertilizer, RCF, National Fertilizer and Coromandel International are among the notable gainers in the fertilizer space. There is no respite for equities given the heightened fear over worsening Eurozone debt crisis. Greece continues to struggle to secure approval for fresh financial aid. European leaders too don't seem to have a clue on how to address the region's fiscal mess. The sentiment will remain fragile until and unless Greece gets fresh rescue funds. The BSE Sensex lost 287 points to close at 15,864 and the NSE Nifty lost 77 points to close at 4,772. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.